And missing you made me stronger. Then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, just so I could understand. 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 I'll find what you're looking for, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, what it takes to be your man. Take the clothes right off my back, put the knife against my throat. Say you leave and won't come back, but I'll find a way to forgive you. Cut the strings off my guitar, stomp your heels into my toes, steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, lead you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're searching for, keep you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, lead you away, just so I could understand. What it takes to be your man. What it takes to be your man.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the live session, and we are live right now, and entering the last position. Okay.
Yeah, and
So yeah, we are trading this morning live, London session, and we are trading, gold. Let me go on the chart so that you guys can see what we are currently looking at. So yeah, let me come to the bigger time frame. So this is what gold is doing at the moment. As we all know that this zone that is in right here, is a very strong zone, and the market keep respecting this area here times and times again. The holder yesterday is been respecting this area. The news came and pushed out, but initially rejected, came back down, retest this trend line from down here, and then pull back up into the zone. So this zone right here, we are anticipating that the market is going to drop from this zone, from here to here. So let's come on the 1 hour time frame. So this is how it looks like from my end. And on the 1 hour time frame, we are kind of seeing, as you can see, a whole lot of rejections around this area. Each time the market come around this area, it pull back down. Each time it come here, pull back just like that. Initially push up, right? This candlestick rejected, it pull back down like that. So that's how the market been playing here. So this zone is indicating it's a strong liquidity area. It's a strong liquidity area. Even if the market was to push up, maybe it will just push out to retest this trend line, If this trend line doesn't hold it, then this zone will hold it to bring it all the way back down. So that's why we are taking this trade this morning from here. Here's what we're looking on 15 minutes. As you guys can see, that we usually trade zones, and gold is kind of like respecting this zone right here. It came down, broke below it. Let me remove this. Broke below the zone, and then it closed here on the 15 minutes. So which means this candlestick is coming for a retest. You know, the break and retest pattern that we used to teach you guys back then. It's just what gold is doing, break and retest, and then we'll be anticipating drop. You understand? So so far so good. This is what we're currently looking at. Let's see how this trade plays out. Let's remember we also take our confluence also with the DXY, and DXY2 is kind of around this region right here. So which means that this zone is going to suppress this DXY to bring it back down. Remember, DXY2 was kind of like consolidating into this zone. DXY is the US dollars index pair. So if you're not familiar with it, it's the US dollar index pair. So which means that DXY is going to, if DXY can usually do the opposite of gold. If DXY is going up, which means gold will be coming down, and if it's coming down, which means gold will be going up. That's the relationship between the two pair. You understand? So DXY2 is in the zone right here, but we're still anticipating that maybe it's going to head up to the zone initially, maybe bounce around the straight line, then come here and see how it's going to play out here. You understand? But for usually during London session, we don't really look at the DXY pair in relation to gold. You understand? It's only during New York session that we usually take a look at it, like how is it playing out. So for GBP USD, as you guys know, we want to trade two pair. There was a trade I caught out yesterday. Let me just remove them. So for GBP USD, it's kind of doing the same thing. Like this zone right here is a very strong liquidity zone that is at right now. So we are kind of anticipating that GBP USD will also head down along gold, but it's not really clear yet for GBP USD. You understand? It's not really clear yet. But for gold, it's kind of clear a bit. It's kind of clear. It's kind of clear. Even if it was to pull up, maybe it will pull up maybe here, maybe around this region right here, and then drop back down, or better still, might come to the trend line and then head all the way to the downside. So that's why I'm anticipating. You understand? But if the market kick us out,
news coming at 12:30. At GBP news.
Yeah, and also there's news coming for GBP USD. Let's go to Forex Factor to see what's going on.
2 more minutes. Oh shit, look at this today. Let's see how it goes. Let's see.
Yeah, this news will be dropping pretty soon. Let me refresh this. This news right here is going to be dropping. As you guys can see, the countdown is in the next 2 minutes. So what we're going to
say, I showed in myself, but it's not really there.
yeah, it's kind of like a rare impact news for Great British Pound, for the pound pair. I don't think it's going to affect the dollars. I don't think so. So drop your comment in the comment section wherever you're joining us from. You can just drop your comment in the comment section. And welcome to the family, the Gold Forex family. And drop your like, guys. Drop your like. So let's see how this news play out in relation to our trades. Yeah, I will just show you so far. Like,
If it take her out, if it hit or if it go up, it will reject. We start selling when they already account.
yeah.
You have to come down.
So that's what we're currently looking at. Let me just show you guys what's going on over here. So there's a trade I told you that we are in on go. There's a trade right here. This market is still playing out. We have entered our position, and let me show you where our stop loss is at. Our stop loss is right above here, the same place. So if the market takes us up, we'll reposition for a better interest. And on this trade, we are risking like $50 on this trade. So like I told you, this year we'll be documenting our trade journey with you guys, and we are trading our own capital. There is our own capital. There is not a pro firm or whatsoever. You understand? So let's see how this news plays out. But for me, I'm pretty confident that it's not going to affect the dollars. It will not affect gold that much.
GBP news.
So yeah, for the month of January, we have 3 wins so far and 1 break, even 1 loss. So let's see. What's the month guys offer, right? The news just dropped, but it's not looking that kind of volatile though.
You know what? If I want to sell GBP, let me see. There's 50 million around which I guess they go where they pay. Let me see. Tell them to sell GBP USD. They can sell it like.
Yeah, so let's look at GU chart and see. We are seeing a good sell for GU also.
Yeah.
So
Let's see the closure.
if you are looking to short GU, like the market is giving out a good pattern. Let me just remove this. This is no longer valid. We'll be shorting GU.
Pretty soon.
And,
Wait for closure.
I think I'll stop now just
10 pips. It'll just be 10 pips.
10 pip stop, right? So yeah, so there's a trade we are looking at for GBP USD so far, and the reason why I entering is because if we come on a 1 hour, let's look at it from the 1 hour perspective. You're gonna see that what GBP USD is at. Is at this level right here. So if you put the chart back, this level is the highest point so far this week that the market has been at. And yesterday, the market came around this region and then pulled all the way back down. So during Asian session, they pull back up to this region. So I know for some reason, the New York guys gonna pull the chart back to retest this psychological level before doing anything else, or maybe better still, they can pull up to this next sack level.
So
But
just wait.
but so far so good. We are not entering trade on GBP USD because the setup is not clear yet. So wait for better confirmation before we go for GU. So we are looking at gold at the moment. We are looking at gold. We are in this trade. Let's see how the market plays out. Let's see what gold do today, huh? Let's see what's going to happen. So wherever you guys are joining us from, you guys are welcome. Welcome to the family. Welcome to Go Forex. This year we're going to be documenting our whole trading journey from the start of the year all the way to the end of the year. So yeah guys, let's look at this trade. Let's see what's going on over here. So here there's a trade that is running. Like we told you guys, we're already in on this trade. We're taking this trade on our own account, on our live account. There's not a demo, it's not a pro firm, there's our own capital. Okay, so we're taking this trade on our own account. So yeah, so far so good. The trade is kind of aligning with us. Let's see how the market plays out. Let's see what happens. If the market give us 1-1, we're gonna put our break even and let the rest to run. So 1-1 will be right around this spot right here. Around here. Once the market reach around here, we'll put our break even, making a risk-free trade. Even if it go back and hit us out, it's okay. We'll reposition for a better interest.
I can be asking for those of you who in our community can be asking. We don't take trade and go. We're already in.
So I think what we're going to do is that I think we're just going to listen to some music while the trade is running in the background. And if you guys want to talk to her, you can just drop a comment in the comment section. You know, we'll respond to every comment. You understand?
Welcome home. If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. 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 Just so I could understand what you're looking for. Just so I could understand what it takes to be your man. Take the clothes right off my back, put the knife against my throat. Say you leave and won't come back, but I'll find a way to forgive you. Cut the strings off my guitar, stomp your heels into my toes, steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh,
Exactly what we're saying for GBP USD. That the market going to respect the zone. It's going to pull all the way down to the SAC level, but the trade was not clear yet. But if they cannot stay close and a pullback around this region, we'll be taking that GBP USD trade. And a pullback, we'll be entering that trade. Okay, so let's just wait for the market to pull back, and then we'll be entering on a trade on GBP USD. Gold will also follow, I think. Gold will follow GBP USD. Gold gonna follow as well. So drop a comment in the comment section, guys. Tell where you guys joining us from. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. We are in on this trade on gold, and we'll soon be entering a GBP USD trade. We are just waiting for pullback. If they cannot stay close bearish and the pullback around this region, will be entering on this trade. So you guys just stay tuned, okay? Let's see what.
Bring it to the neckline right here in the entry right here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me take it out.
Hmm?
Let me try it out. Yeah.
So there's a trade we're anticipating with GBP USD. So you guys just stay tuned. Let's see what DXY is doing currently at the moment. Yeah, like I told you, it's just going to bounce on this trend line and start to head up. Maybe it'll push above here, and then once it break out of this zone, the next one will be coming is this zone right here. So that's why we are in on this trade on gold. Okay, this setup is still valid. It's still valid though. Let's see how this candlestick is going to close. But what I'm thinking is just going to retest. It's break and retest. So drop a comment in the comment section, guys. Drop a comment section. Drop a comments. Tell us where you're joining us from. I don't know how many of you love trading. For us, I don't even know. Trading is one of the sweetest things, man. If you are a trader, you know what I'm talking about. Like that feeling you get, like it's just hard to explain. That feeling you get as a trader is something else. But anyway, like I said, we are going to be documenting our whole trading journey for this whole entire year. We're going to be trading live. Every trade, every seller is going to be live on YouTube, so that you guys can trade with us. If you guys want to, you guys can come live with us. We're going to be trading and throughout this whole year, so you guys can see the growth. You guys can see the journey. You understand? We're documenting the journey with you guys. Maybe in the 5 feature, some people will say about where these guys came from. You know, how come they have this and that and that and that. So this is where we are starting from ground zero. Okay, we are building ourselves up. So that's just it. We're gonna show up every day, every single day when there's a setup. We're gonna show up, regardless if we lose or we win. We don't care, man. Like, this just us doing our thing as a trader, and that's just the mindset you should have. You know, There's going to be a winning days. There's going to be a losing day. There's even going to be a losing streak, and there's going to be a winning streak. So we are aware of all those things. As a trader, what matters is that you showing up every day, regardless whether if your previous days was a win or was a loss. You just gotta show up and do what you know best. If the market is telling you buy, buy. If it's telling you sell, sell. And the key and number one rule is that no matter what, always protect your capital.
For sure.
Like I told you, always protect your capital. That's your number one rule as a trader, to protect your capital. Because it's very painful, man. Imagine you blow your account and then the market start playing out right. That it hurts a whole lot.
And protecting your capital will make you stay longer in the game. You will understand more.
That's just it.
You will learn a lot. Because Forex is like what Alice is saying. Forex is like the more you trade Forex, the more you understand it. Because it's not that difficult. Yes, it's tough, but not. It's something you're gonna be repeating, and then you're just gonna be editing some things that you knew that they were not right. Like on the psychology part, there's a playing emotional trading, fear, greed. Those are just the things you're gonna be the editing and live lancing tomorrow. That if things go wrong, what will keep you more stronger? Just those things. But honestly speaking, it's just one thing. You're just gonna be repeating one thing. So obviously, once you repeat one thing over and over, eventually you will know it.
That's just it.
That's not something gonna be difficult for you. Eventually you know it. But the reason why so many people spend 10 years, 8 years, 6 years, nothing, they didn't even they cannot stand, they cannot even confidently speak that yes, they don't know all, but what they know, they believe in what they know is because of why they're roaming from one place to another. Moving from one place to another. We send a signal today, we win, tomorrow we lose, day after tomorrow we lose, poof. Those guys don't know how to trade. They will go, that's why some people will say they will go to another person. Same thing, and even the person you go into, sometimes they lose too. So the moment they take the losses, they start running away. Anyway, but if you cannot come to that point where you accept the fact that what you have to lose, and while losing, you should only build a system around you that you can even take losses in road. It's not gonna affect your trading career, and you gotta just know how to lose, when to lose, and what causing the losses. Otherwise, you are not going to spend longer in the game. And changing, I can tell you, even you change mentor for one, because it's the same. Those people that if you go watch their history, if you go watch some part of last year, even 2022, if you go watch our history, you will see that the moment that we get in mentorship, we learn how to trade. It's just the same thing we keep repeating. We're just changing some things. If we used to approach the market so irresponsible, now we change it. Now, we will go and change it now. Say no, we don't want to trade like this now. This is how I want to approach the market. We are going to wait. If even we lose, we are not going to be feeling so bad. If even we lose, we are not putting forth on the market. We are going to take the blame. We are the cause, not the market. We are the cause. So we're going to take the initiative that yes, indeed, we are the cause. So guys, pay close attention. We are about to sell GBP USD. Yeah, the moment it hit the neckline, sell GBP USD. Yeah, and make some money. Since you already small more because it's just going to bounce, it's going to come back. That's clear. So once it pull back up a bit, you can sell. I think you are seeing a string. Yeah, you can sell GBP USD. Just do. I hope you're doing your risk management. I think yesterday I told you guys how to calculate your risks. We are rexing how many pips?
Let me just illustrate.
We are rexing how many pips? I think 10 pips, right?
Yeah, so what you do,
Yeah.
you come to my FS book.
Yeah.
This is what we've been using.
Yeah.
We stopped using baby pips for some time. So you come to my FS book and you come to the home page. Maybe if you open it, you also look like this, something, myfsbook.com. So you just come to home here, and then you see home, you see Forex calculators. You understand that you come to position size calculator, you just click on that, and you choose the pair. GBP USD. If your account is which account running on that?
Any account, like for just tell them somewhere
So
100.
let's say maybe your account is 100,
or to anyone, yeah.
and then how much you want to lose on that account. Let's say okay, I want to lose like $25 or $20 of my account. You hit swap with money. Once you click on that, you put 20. And then the stop loss in pip, like we said, let's come back. The stop loss is 10 pips right here, 10 pips. So you put 10, and then you hit calculate. It's gonna give you a lot size you're gonna use, 0.02 lot size. If you want to lose only $20 of your money. If you want to lose $20 of your money, then there's the lot size you should enter on that trade. You can do dollar cost averaging, or like you break them down. You understand? Maybe there's 0.2. You can split it into 0.1. You understand? Yeah. 0.1, 0.1. You enter two positions so that you can do dollar cost averaging. Meaning that even if the market was to go and hit your stop loss, instead of you losing 20, maybe you might lose $19 or $18 depending where you enter from. Okay, so that's just it.
So they don't allow us paste link. YouTube don't want to allow paste link.
No. So there's just a short trade that we're going to be taking. A very short one indeed. Just want to cash 22 pips. Rexing 10 pips to cash 22 pips. Which is okay. It's like we are trying to say it's like we are rexing it's like this. Maybe you are rexing a $20 example that I make to make $40. So that's just it. If you are rexing $50, you're going to make $100 if the market hit your TP. And if you are risking $10, you're going to make $20 if the market hit your TP, depending. And if you are risking $100, you're going to make $200 if the market hit your TP, like that.
Yo, thank you, man. From Kenya, Daniel. Welcome, man. We appreciate.
We appreciate, bro. Much love, man. Much love. Welcome to the channel, bro. Welcome to the channel. This Go Forex. We trade live. We are documenting our whole trading journey from this year all the way to the end of the year. We are currently in India. Maybe you're wondering where we're from. So yeah, thanks, bro. Thanks so much.
Oh, okay. I think those guys, they can take that straight. They can open one position. Tell them, yeah.
So yeah,
let them open one position.
So the market have all reached around our entry area. So you can do a dollar cost averaging.
Yeah.
So maybe you can enter a first position around here. Like I told you, do your risk to your position size first. Know how much you are risking on this trade before you enter. Okay, don't just enter anyhow and just blow your account like that. Because no matter how good a trader can be, the market, sometimes your setup will play right, but the market will not respect your setup. It's normal. We are also still in this gold trade. Gold is still we are still in this trade. Let me just show you guys what's going on right now. And there's the gold trade that is still running. Our TP is right here, but anything the market gave us, we're gonna take it. We are not leaving any money on the table, okay? So that just our stop loss is right above this place. We are risking 30 pips on gold. So if you don't know how to do the gold risk management, maybe you can just type in the comment section. We're gonna teach you how to do risk management for gold. So that's just it. Let's see how this trade plays out. Let's see how it plays out. If you want to be part of our community, we have a community called Go Forex on Instagram, not on Instagram,
Telegram.
on Telegram and WhatsApp. We just go there and like we chat with one another and seeing how the market is playing out, those kind of things.
Let me drop the link, Telegram link.
Let's see what DXY is doing.
Tell them to click the link.
Yeah, well, there was the illustration. DXY, we are anticipating that it will break. We have already breaking out of the zone, so it will just come and retest it, and then we're anticipating it's going to head up here to this point right here. So that's why we are taking the CL on both GBP, USD, and gold, because the relationship between the two pairs is inverse. So which means that if GBP is going up, the dollar pair, which is DXY, will be coming down. That's the relationship. Yesterday, we took that trade from here, that break-even trade. We took it from here. The market was just doing this whole lot of thing right here. You know, it wasn't looking nice, so we ended up closing out that trade. And after we close out, the market dropped all the way back down. So that was why we closed out, because of this rejection both up and down, indicating that there is indecision in the market. So drop your comment in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, guys. We're going to be trading live every day. Whenever there is a trade setup, we're going to be coming live. We're going to be trading with you guys.
Please note, this is just a disclaimer. We don't trade per frame, and we are not teaching no one now how to trade. Nope, we are not teaching, and we don't trade per frame. We are only like giving our signal, discussing how we take our trades. Yeah, like I don't think right now we are in a position to teach anyone, and we are not asking nobody for account management. If anyone tell you that, oh, give me money, like using our name, that I will trade for you or this, that, they're lying. Like, it's not us. Yeah, we won't ask you for your money. We are not asking no one for your money, for us to trade for you. No, we only do this here for now. In the future, if we will teach people how to trade or anything else there, but not mostly money, we won't ask. We cannot ask nobody for money. No, it's not us. So just be like attentive out there and be smart before like those guys scam you.
Yeah, like this here, we are not teaching anyone. We are just coming live, trading live with you guys, documenting our journey.
Yeah.
So you guys can trade with us. We are going to be trading whenever there's a setup. That's just it. And if you want to learn anything while we are live, maybe you can just type your questions in the comment section, and you know, we will answer your questions. Maybe you are not understanding what is on our chat. maybe these lines that you're seeing up and down here, you're not understanding it, you can just reach out to us. We'll explain.
You can pause the mark. I think go.
Welcome home. If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take
Yeah,
me
that was the
longer.
kind of push I was anticipating earlier, but it came in late. But let's see, if it hit us out, it's okay. We'll just readjust and see where we can be our enter from. Like I told you, always risk less, you understand? Always calculate your risks, how much you're willing to risk on a particular trade setup before entering on that trade. Don't just enter blindly. Okay, we have predetermined your risks. Okay, so don't worry if it hit us out, it's okay, it's fine. We're going to reposition and come out.
I don't think they take go. Maybe the NG because we'll end up before them.
Maybe it might just maybe it coming to retest this trend line, and then maybe we might enter from here again. You understand?
Yeah.
So let's see how it plays out. It's like a few pips away from our stop loss. But I don't like the closure of this candlestick. So if I don't like the closure of this candlestick, I don't like how it closed. I was anticipating how you're going to, close with that rejection, but the way it
So
closed,
maybe we can enter them when you pull out, we'll close it.
the way it closed,
Okay,
Yeah.
down techniques.
yeah.
Enter
So enter one more entry around that point. It's this like the pineapple technique. Well, like we are kind of like we want to minimax our loss on this trade. You understand? So which means that we might want to take this trade in a break even. We might want to take this trade in a break
Should I
even.
increase the lot size?
Yeah. So let's see what's gonna happen. I think it's just coming to, but this zone is still valid. This zone is still strong. There is a very strong zone. There is a very strong zone that the market is in. This one is kind of strong. The market keep respecting the zone. It keep respecting the zone. Time and time again. Let's see how GBP USD is playing out. GBP, I don't know if you got entered on this trade, but now it's almost reaching to your TP on GBP USD. GDP moved this session obviously because it's London session, and GDP is a pound pair, so that's why mostly doing London session we trade the pound pair, and doing New York session that's the time we usually trade gold. You do pineapple.
Yeah. One more again.
this trade hit us out. It hit our stop loss, and we are going to wait.
And GBP USD, they are in GBP USD, but GBP USD is in our favor. Yeah.
GBP is in our favor, and there should be a TP because there's a psychological level, which means when the market come here, I might want to respect this zone before doing anything else. For gold, that trade took us out on the spike, but I'm still but this zone is still a strong zone. You understand? Yeah. It's still a strong zone.
We might enter again.
We might enter if it give us a better confluence this time. If it give us a better confluence,
it might even come down.
Yeah. Or maybe it might. If we want to enter, let's see how this push gonna be. Maybe around this trend line. We'll be deciding if we should enter around this trend line to catch it back down here. So let's just see. But this zone is a very strong zone though. This zone is a very strong zone.
Yeah. So you guys making profit? Are you guys making profit on GBP USD? Meet them. You meet. So are you guys making profit? If you're making profit, drop one, guys. Drop one. Now do your proper risk management and trade management. You have to do your trade management and maybe you can adjust your stop loss. Let me see if that place the one is the one. Yeah, GBP already the one is the one. Adjust your stop loss. Break even. Bring it to break even. Bring it to break even. Don't lose what you already making. It's not good. As a trader, once you make it 1:1, you start protecting your money. Yeah, don't if even price retrace, it better it hit you to break even. Then what? Then losing your whole money you're making again. It doesn't make sense. So yeah, guys. So I don't know. You want to update?
Yeah. So yeah, I've just updated everything. Now 2 lost and 3 wins, 1 break even. So we are taking 6 trades so far this whole year.
Relax. Think we should not enter again.
Oh, wow.
Go.
Let me see, go.
Creating a G, then go bring it and go forward.
That work for
Because it's selling stay 75% in the past, 20 to 25%.
So yeah, let's see how gold is playing out. We might enter again on gold, but this time want to see a better, waiting for a better entry. A better entry. Let's see what is going on at the moment.
So now when we enter in, we should reduce our stop loss because that zone, if you tell that we should sell, that zone,
Yeah.
we already above.
Yeah, there's exactly what I anticipated. Break, retest, and then shoot up around this level right here. But for gold, gold should have been doing the same, but during London session, gold is not really moving like that. Gold doesn't really move that much in London session. It just print out these little candles. For GBP USD, you guys can see the move. It's printing really good candlesticks. So drop a comment, guys. Tell us where you're watching us from. So let's see.
What?
Welcome home. If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. 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 Just so I could understand about what you're looking for. Just so I could understand about what you're looking for. What it takes to be your man. Take the clothes right off my back. Put the knife against my throat. Say you leave and won't come back, but I'll find a way to forgive you. Cut the strings off my guitar. Stomp your heels into my toes. Steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand about what you're looking for, to lead you away. Just so I could understand about what you're searching for, to keep you Steal the keys right out my car and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, to lead you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're searching for, to keep you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, to lead you away, just so I could understand. What it takes to be your man. What it takes to be your man. Welcome home. If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, to lead you away, just so I could understand. 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 I'll find what you're looking for, lead you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, what it takes to be your man. Take the clothes right off my back, put the knife against my throat. Say you leave and won't come back, but I'll find a way to forgive you. Cut the strings off my guitar.
So yeah, guys. Currently what we're doing right now, we're just waiting for price to break off this zone, and if it break out, it come and retest, will be entering on the straight, because this zone is still valid. This zone is still valid. This zone is still valid, guys. Can you see the kind of rejection this zone is having? Even here, the market came here and inspected this zone. So this zone is still strong. So we are just waiting for closure below the zone and retest, and then we'll enter on this gold trade once again. And if it hit us out, then we'll have to wait till New York session for any trade that will be taking on gold.
strings of my guitar. Stomp your heels into my toes. Steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, lead you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're searching for, keep you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, lead you away, just so I could understand. What it takes to be your man. What it takes to be your man. Welcome home. If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, lead you away, just so I could understand. 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 I'll find what you're looking for, lead you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, what it takes to be your man. Take the clothes right off my back, put the knife against my throat. Say you leave and won't come back, but I'll find a way to forgive you. Cut the strings of my guitar, stomp your heels into my toes. Steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, lead you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're searching for, keep you Welcome home. If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. 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 Just so I could understand about what you're looking for. Just so I could understand about what you're looking for. What it takes to be your man. Take the clothes right off my back. Put the knife against my throat. Say you leave and won't come back, but I'll find a way to forgive you. Cut the strings off my guitar. Stomp your heels into my toes. Steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand about what you're looking for, lead you away. Just so I could understand about what you're searching for, to keep you away. Just so I could understand about what you're looking for, lead you away. Just so I could understand what it takes to be your man. What it takes to be your man.
So yeah, guys.
GBP is playing well.
Let's see GBP USD. So yeah, GDP it came around this psychological level, and now it's kind of like retracing, which is good, because like this is what we're anticipating that retracement from around here.
Eventually it will come down.
Eventually it'll come down.
One
you
hour
understand?
closure is very good.
Because if you take a look at the 1 hour,
Yeah.
this closure is solid. There's a solid closure on the 1 hour.
Yeah.
So that's why we're anticipating a further drop. If we break out of this level, then which means the next zone is coming to is here. I'm pretty sure it's going to do that today, or it might come back to this zone right here. So I just always anticipating for GBP USD. For gold, we are still waiting for a break out of this zone right here. Once the market break out of this one and come back and retest it, we'll be taking out gold trade. Otherwise, we are still waiting. We are still waiting for the breakout of the zone. Because this zone is a strong zone. It's a strong zone. But if the market fails to break this zone, then we'll tend to look around this trend line for another entry. Around here. See how the market is playing around that trend line, then we'll enter from there. But so far so good. We are still waiting out for the market to play out. So that's just it for gold. The DXY is kind of doing what I anticipated. It will break, retest, and then pull up. Breakout, retest, pull. Well, we don't know how far the retest can be. Maybe it can come to this trend line right here. Come and retest this trend line and pull up, or it might just stop into the zone and pull up. We don't know that for sure. So let's see how this trade. Or gold might come and retest this trend line right here and start to pull back down. So we are also looking for that push to the trend line also for gold. So let's see how the market gonna play out. Let's watch out and see. So if you have any comment, you can just drop it in the comment section, and yeah, we can answer your questions. Okay, tell where you are joining us from, and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, let's see how the trade plays out. Let's see how it plays out. But I'm pretty sure it's going to retest this. We gotta need to fulfill this week. Yeah, I have to fulfill it. So by fulfilling it means I have to come and retest this point right here on gold. But we are still
of the mark discuss.
So yeah, so let's see how the market is going to be playing out, and that's just it, man.
Welcome home. If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I'd find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. 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 Just so I could understand about what you're looking for. Just so I could understand about what you're looking for. What it takes to be your man. Take the clothes right off my back. Put the knife against my throat. Say you leave and won't come back, but I'll find a way to forgive you. Cut the strings off my guitar. Stomp your heels into my toes. Steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I'd find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand.
So yeah, guys. Right now we will be taking a trade on GBP USD because we are adding our position because we just start sale. So it just coming to retest. We added some positions on that trade. So let's see how it's looking at the moment. So here's a GBP USD trade. And our stop loss is right above this zone. So let's see how the trades play out. Okay. Always do your risk management. Do not enter on a trade without you knowing how much you're going to lose if that trade goes against you. Instead of you thinking about the profit, thinking about your losses first.
I will push or end up with last position. 713 divided by what? Divided by 2. Divided by 2. 706. End up with 706. Push up again, end up with last 706. End up. Okay. As a pushing, it will reject. Push more up again, end up. Okay, if you end up.
No, end up. End up?
No, wait. Because you like cannot say reject. You can end up with small more. And.
Well, number one, or
Yeah.
number. So yeah, we just enter another entry. We are doing dollar cost averaging, like breaking down our lot sizes. That's just it. So
End up. Let me see. Yeah, end up.
entering our last entry. Yeah. So now we are done.
What you do trade management?
We are just going to manage this trade
This is
now.
a very good setup because why I would trust in this setup? See this candlestick here, and more than 1 hour candlestick.
Yeah.
Bearish engulfing, it's very strong. If you hit or out, then which means we go around, but the chances are very less.
Of course.
Imagine, because your TP you can stay long for you to hit your TP. If you can stay long, imagine you move fast, they go, we will recover all our 100 hour loss, that will profit. What you
Let's see how it plays out.
yeah.
So yeah, guys, right now let's just monitor this trade and see how it plays out. So yeah, if you have any comment or anything, just drop it in the comment section. Okay.
Welcome home. If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 up my guitar, stomp your heels into my toes, steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for to lead you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're searching for to keep you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for to lead you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what it takes to be your man. What it takes to be your man. Welcome home. If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for to lead you away, just so I could understand. Just so I could understand. Just so I could understand. Just so I could understand.
Yeah, man, that's just it. Like, sometimes you gotta like sit, just sit down, let have fun, let play game. Like a hater out is fine, but like, you can keep, like watching too much. You take your trade now, you set your stop loss. All you have to be doing now is trade management. Too much don't get in the chat again, like, like psychology. Like, so like, let's chill, guys. Yeah.
Welcome home. If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for to lead you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, just so I could understand. my guitar. Stomp your heels into my toes. Steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, to lead you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're searching for, to keep you away, just so I could understand. I'll find Welcome home. If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. 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 Just so I could understand about what you're looking for. Just so I could understand about what it takes to be your man. Take the clothes right off my back. Put the knife against my throat. Say
Yeah. Hey guys, that trade took us out. That trade took us out, and I just came to retest this zone right here. But probably it might come down, but we don't know when. So we are just going to reposition ourselves for New York session. London session is not really it's not doing anything ready. So we'll be back doing New York session, so you guys should join the live stream. So that's just it. I'll show the time came here, you guys put your break even. So on this trade is a break even trade. So you guys should so yeah, we'll catch you guys doing New York session. So be here with us live during New York session. We're gonna be trading live with you guys. So that's just it for now.